We are back once again at the garage, and Daan is here opening a box with
new paint.
So recap, we were doing the brake calipers on the front of the MX-5, and last time we tried to paint them, but the paint cans were fucked.
Yeah.
There goes my phone.
What paint did I start with? Oh, I started with the primer, right? And that already didn't work.
Yeah. I think we still had an unopened can of the yellow paint.
Yeah, that's true. I don't know which one.
But anyway, we are gonna clean up the brakes a bit so we can start painting. Giving the brackets a quick clean.
Wipe down.
So we're also trying to paint the
Valve cover.
Yeah, and we're trying to get all the gunk out of these leathers. It's really annoying. So I'm using, like, the tools I have is this brush, which is too big. I have a coffee stirrer, which the plastic ones are probably illegal right now, so I don't know how your dad still has them. And brake cleaner and paper, so this kind of sucks. Daan did an oopsie. Daan, what did you do? Yeah, I'm fucking sprayed on me.
Sorry.
Why did you pop it without the cap on?
Yeah, I don't know.
And why did you then throw it on me?
I made a lot of errors.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is already setting the tone for today.
Yeah. Okay.
It's the most ghetto of paint booths. Gotta hit him from the bottom. See? So we're masking off all the holes for the valve cover. So we're putting on pieces of tape and then just cutting around it with a knife. And Daan has brought the most important stuff.
Meal of the day.
Doesn't have to have the exact shape of the hole because there is a bolt going on top of that, but roughly just to cover it up. It's starting to look alright.
As you can see, I've done everything very nicely.
You've done. Yeah, this is a shitty thing because I'm always filming. It looks like Daan is doing everything, and meanwhile I'm also doing a lot, but Daan never films anything.
It's your channel, boy.
It's starting to become the Daan show, especially with Project MX-5. It doesn't matter here anyway, because this is on the back of your engine. No one's gonna see this.
But I don't know it's there.
Yeah, there's also gonna be like cables all over the place here.
You only have one time to do it right. Good, Camber. That's good. Why do I do this?
I don't know. Okay, so Daan is having skill issues.
Okay. Any skill issues? Recoatable after approximately 50-60 minutes.
So we gotta wait a long time.
It feels like watching paint dry. Oh wait.
It literally is.
Literally.
While we're waiting for the paint to dry, which is like an hour, we're gonna see if we can adjust some of the settings on the Subaru. Like, to maybe get rid of some of the understeer, I'm gonna put a slight bit of camber on the front and then soften the suspension on the front a bit and then harden it on the back to see if that gives it a bit more balance.
Okay, so we need to check it up.
No.
Oh, you can do camera from the top. Yeah, right.
Yeah, maybe we should probably jack it up if we do that.
Yeah, I think so as well.
Loosening the bolts here, they should be all reasonably loose.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
So is it inward or outward for the Camber, Jim?
Well, the top of the strut needs to be inward, so the wheels are.
Go outwards.
Yeah, the top of the wheel needs to point inward and the bottom outward.
So we're gonna do it outwards. So max camber?
No, max camber is a bit much. I'm gonna put the inside bolts. As you might be able to see, there's some stripes here. Max camber is a bit much, so I'm gonna put the inside bolt on the inside line there. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side, and then we'll see if it does anything.
Okay, great.
Tuning.
Other side as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think the chance is that you get it right first try?
Well, it's like a balance. More camber is usually more grips in tight turns, but also you've got more stress on the inside of your wheels if you're going straight. So it's like cost-benefit analysis, I guess. Well, we need to do the cost-benefit analysis of Camber gang.
Camber gang.
Cold here, can you see me? My breath.
You're just smoking in secret.
So it should be 32 clicks roughly, but we're turning it all the way to soft and 12 clicks towards the middle. So we're doing this 4 clicks softer and the back we're doing 4 clicks harder. See if that works. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I guess this is tuning your vehicle.
Seems easy enough.
Should we do a test drive since we still have like 45 minutes to wait on the paint?
Yeah, I still have to do one more layer of the valve cover, and then we can do it.
Okay.
So Jim, do you notice any difference?
Well no, because I'm stuck in traffic, so.
In the middle of town. So.
Yeah.
So especially for Jim, I brought the famous broodje burger. And if it doesn't taste nice, I'm never gonna trust Jim again.
Why?
Because
it's gonna taste nice.
You've been saying that it's so nice for so long. I don't know, man. It looks sketchy. It also feels a bit like a cake. I don't know.
It's fine. You just eat your broodje burger. I did a bit more of a skid.
Jim, what do we have?
We have broodje burger from Albert Heijn.
They also want broodje burger.
They want it. They know it's good.
So do we need to take a big bite?
Yeah.
That's quite okay.
I told you.
Solid 6.3.
Oh.
What do you give it?
Yeah, about the same. But like it's like €1.50, so like.
Could be worse.
Yeah. Okay, Moos, what do you think? It's time for yellow? Well, Moos doesn't like the camera. It's alright, Moos.
Scary camera.
We're getting ready for the clear coat.
Yeah.
The valve cover has a nice amount of crap in the paint.
This is what you want?
Yeah, perfect. Show us the move, Daan. You got to move! You got to move! Another clear coat layer.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were using a coffee spoon thingy to get some of the crap off, but it didn't work too great. It is very yellow. It looks even more yellow on the camera, look.
Oh wow, it looks nearly green.
It's like glowing. It's a radioactive valve cover. Alright, we just added the last layer of clear coat. We've got all the dirt from the floor of the garage in the paint, which is very nice.
You don't see it from a distance. It's perfect.
No, if you squint, it means.
So now let's do the final part.
Alright guys, see you in the next video.